Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, this is a boring picture, isn't it? The things inside aren't boring, I can assure you. I've got one package and I thought, well, what on earth is this? I can usually add a name on the front where things have come from, and this one I just was complete mystery. Couldn't remember what I'd ordered, and I'm thinking I haven't ordered anything as somebody sent me something. Very strange. So we'll have a look at that one in a second. I'll keep you guessing as to what that one is. It is a lot of fun, I have to say. I had to open it and look. This one is an Amazon purchase, and it came in 2 big jiffy bags, which is excellent. And when you see what it is, you'll think, yeah, that is a lot better packaging, rather than it just coming loose in one of the very thin little trash bags that they send. So this was one of my Vipon buys. I haven't had a Vipon buy for a while. There are quite a few different things on there if you want to go and have a look. Vipon, it's Vipon, and it is just an app that I use, and it gives you discounts or points you in the direction of discounts on Amazon. Does some other bits and pieces as well, but it is mainly Amazon stores. And you can quite often get diamond painting things at half price. If you've been with me for a while, hello, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, hello, hope you'll stay. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I thought, oh, I'll go and have a look again. As I say, if you've been with me for a while, you'll have seen that I've had lots of key rings and coasters, and yeah, all sort of really good prices, bargain prices. I'm always bargain hunting, and this one was a bargain as well. I believe it was about £6-ish, which was half price. So, oh, and it's also in a box as well. So it's in 2 jiffy bags and a box, which I wonder if they've had a lot of complaints and a lot that have come back because they've been broken. So now they've put extra packaging on. And it is better to do it this way. I know packaging is more expensive and possibly the weight makes the postage more expensive. But surely it's better than sending people things that get broken. So yeah, thumbs up for this manufacturer and for Amazon for the way it's been packaged. As you can see, it's one of my favourite items, a wreath. And I think this is maybe a Valentine's one because I've just noticed it got a heart on it. To be fair, I think I did just buy it because it was cheap. I just saw a wreath, cheap, yay. So let's have a look. Oh, and it's a big one as well. I was expecting it to be maybe a 10-inch one, but actually it looks like it's a full 30 by 30, 12-inch wreath. Love the way it's packaged. That's really, really good. And I think it's wooden as well. Great. Okay, so we have a pen, bow and wax, just your standard little toolkit there. We have a mixture of acrylic drills and a couple of special shapes. Oh, look at those glittery marquees there. They've got glitter in them. Ooh, not had any of those before. Like those. Ooh, right. So let's get her out and have a look. It's got a very nice long chain as well. So, oh goodness me. Right, look at the chain. Very, very long. Just a standard sort of curb chain that you get on things. And we have 2 of the lobster claw clasps, which I like because they're the easiest ones to open and use. So that will just clip onto your wreath there. Look, we've got 2 good size holes for those to go through. Okay, yeah, it's one of the, ooh, got an extra bit of wood there. What's that then? Oh, it's just a bit that's popped out. I think all these are like laser cut, so yeah, it's been one of these little sections there, look, and it's just not popped out properly when they've cut it. That's okay. I always like to send me the rubbish wherever they come from. Oh, it's got a koala bear on it. Oh, that's probably why it caught my eye as well. Oh, it's got a koala bear. Oh, that is so cute. He's snuggling up in the flowers, look. Oh, definite love heart for this one. Oh, that's put me off now. I was gonna not put me off the canvas. It's put me off the fact that I was going to do this one as my experiment and hang it outside to see if the either waterproof or the outdoor Mod Podge works, to prevent the gems from coming off and prevent it from rotting. So that has now put the koala bears amongst the kookaburras. Rather than the cat amongst pigeons. No, I know koala bears probably don't chase kookaburras. Probably a completely ridiculous analogy. But anyway. Oh, it's a lot cuter than I was expecting it to be. As I say, I really only ordered it because it was cheap, but now I've seen it, I'm thinking, Anyway, I'm going to give it a go because that's why I ordered it, because it was the cheaper price, and yeah, I'll give this one a go. And it's got the nice, actually, I should think the chain won't fare very well outside because it will get rain and whatever on it, but it will be interesting to see, so we'll probably use the chain as well. Oh, that is so cute. It's just snuggled up in the flowers. I'm loving these purple flowers. Not sure if these are like native to Australia or not. My little Australian friends, if you can let me know. This looks a little bit like a peony type flower. I don't know. Just with it having the koala bear, I just wondered if these, I mean, they look a little bit like pansies, but pansies don't really have that in the middle, do they? So, yeah. Okay. Give it a quick measure, as I'm sure because of the size of the box and everything that it will be 30 by 30. Look, it only just fits on screen. Yeah, 30 centimetres, 12 inches. 30 centimetres, 12 inches, yeah. So it's a really good size. It's quite a thinnish one, and it's not, it's finished off really nicely. It's not got any little splinters or whatever on it, so it's quite good. And it has got the brownish edge, but I normally would use a pro marker or an alcohol marker, permanent marker, to go around the edges just to get rid of that darkish edge, but I'm not going to do that because it may affect the Mod Podge and it may run or whatever, and I don't want that to spoil it. So yeah, I'm not quite sure when this one will get done. It may be after Christmas now. And we'll see where we go from there. I suppose it would be fairer to put it outside when it's sort of like springish time, so that it goes through the seasons rather than starting it off with all the really, really bad weather. And we'll see where we are. But yes, so, oh, but that is just so cute. Really good value for money as well. And I just love wreaths. When I do a wreath, oh, it's got an AB in it as well. Oh gosh, I've just noticed that. What I tend to do is start with the first colour, and I start in the middle somewhere or at a point where it joins, and then just work my way all around with one colour, then I work my way all around with the next colour, and I tend to do it that way, and I really enjoy working on them. But oh, look at the little koala bear. I've always wanted to see a koala bear. I've never seen one in real life. I know my niece sends me photographs of them because she lives across in Australia. She used to live in Sydney, but she's gone a bit further out now, so yeah. Okay. Ooh, look at that though, an AB. Oh wow. Right, okay. So there is no DMC codes. The number on the packet relates to, excuse me, that is the chair squeaking, it's not me. Relates to the number on the label on the box there. So you could always cut that label off if you don't want to keep it in the box, so you know what you're doing, where you are. So let's see, how many colours have we got? Oh my goodness. Oh, we've got another special. Oh, more specials, right. So we are one. Oh, another AB. 6 and another one. I've lost count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 20, 21. Wow, this has been an excellent buy. Goodness me. So we have, for the flowers, they are both the same colour, so that's letter A and then letter B, so that's your shading on your flower. I think we've got another one as well. There's an E on there as well, so we've got 2, 3, 4 different colours on the actual flowers, so that's going to be a good bit of charting. We have an Aurora Borealis, an AB coated lemon. AB is the Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. It's like a special iridescent coating that they put over the top of your gems, so it sparkles a bit more. And then the white is an AB coated as well. That's brilliant. I've bought more expensive kits that haven't had this amount of ABs in them. We've got a lovely deep purple, so that's your other colour to go with your flowers. Look at those. Wow, that's gorgeous. We've got your standard black and a dark grey and a paler grey. That's for your koala bear. And an even paler grey. So he's got 3 different shades on him. This is good charting on this. We've got a little bit of orange and a slightly paler yellowy orange and a reddy orange, and that's a nice deep red colour. That's probably for the heart. And we have your green there, your limey green, and your darker green, and then a lime green AB. So it's got 3 AB gems in this. That is amazing for this little picture. That is amazing for the price of this wreath. That's really, really good. And then they are gorgeous. Look at those with glitter on them. Oh, wow. See, I've not seen the marquees with the glitter on. And then oval shaped blue, aqua blue, with no facets on there. Nice, like a cabochon there. A little bit, they look like glass. They're not, they're acrylic, but they do look like glass more when they're no facets on them and they're shiny like that. So it looks as though the middles of the purple flowers are all going to be this lovely glittery yellowy lemony colour. And then we've got all these, like, I don't know, like buds or berries or something. No, they must be buds, I think. All in that colour. Okay. And then we have, oh, we've got little red flowers, look. Well, actually, they're quite big red flowers, aren't they, which you're going to dot around. So, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks like. And we've got 2, 4, 6, 7. So we've got spares. We like spares. And then we've got some little rounds with facets on. And it looks like that's going to be like highlighting on the heart there. And just the highlight on the like peony. I don't think it's a rose. I think it's more of a peony. One of the big bulb flowers. So we've got spares there as well. We like spares. Okay, well, I'm really impressed with that, with the amount of ABs in it. So that was my purchase, as I say, from Amazon, and I will be doing my further sealing experiment on this one once I've got Halloween and I've done quite a bit of Christmas and things. And yeah, we've got Gnome November coming up, which is where Mindy's Diamond Moments does gnomes. So it's a case of doing lots of gnomes, and she does giveaways and things like that. So yeah, we do a Gnome November. Right, let me just get these put away. Put the chain in the packet of gems as well, so that I know where that is. And we'll just have a look at the other little mystery parcel that I got. Now, if you remember, a while ago, I got a Tube Buddy hat, which is one of the little like bucket hats with the Tube Buddy logo on it there, look. All in like a holographic foil. It's stuck on, it's very well stuck on, to be fair. And it is a nice hat, it is nicely made, you know, it's all gusseted and everything, but it is huge. Hubby put it on, and as one lady pointed out, he did look like a gnome because it came down right over to his nose, so you couldn't see any eyes at all, you could just see like the bottom of his nose and his mouth. So yeah, that was quite funny, so I got that. And now I've got this. And I have had it out because I wanted to have a look at it. So, yeah, came in a nice jiffy bag. And, yeah, it came in this white box. I'm thinking, what on earth is it? And when I took it out, it's Lego. And it's a high five. Enjoy building your YouTube brick kit. Let us know how long it takes. And it's hashtag YouTube high five. So I'll have to do it. It's 2 different packets. So it's 2 different sizes of the bricks. I mean, it just says bricks. So I'm not sure that it is Lego. It's Lego style. And I'm going to be building one of these like YouTube buttons. Play button, isn't it? So yeah, and it's all these instructions on how to do it. Let me know if you'd like me to do this on camera. Not something I've done before. I haven't played with Lego for years and years. the granddaughters absolutely love it. They've got all the new sort of Harry Potter sets and all the big sets that you put together. But yeah, this is quite biggish ones, and it all just goes together, look, to make up one of the YouTube little play buttons. So thank you very much, YouTube. So that's what it's going to look like at the end. Looks like quite a bit of fun, but as I say, yeah, let me know if you want me to build it on camera. I can soon do that. Be a bit of a different video apart from diamond painting. Yeah, all the rights and wrongs. There is a lot of bits in this. Maybe you build one part first and then build the other. That's why it's 1 and 2. Possibly. Doesn't actually say, just gives you all the step-by-step instructions. So maybe. Okay, so that was just a little bit of a surprise. A nice surprise, though. I like getting things through the post and you get a surprise. And you think, oh, that's really good. Loving that. Okay, well, a little bit shorter video. A little bit of a mixture of things that I've got this time. But more things to come. So thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this little look at this old little koala bear. I wonder what he's dreaming about. And then now a little YouTube gift as well. Okay, if you've enjoyed looking at these, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to come back and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you won't miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.